Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. My good name is Damaris Smith Official. Guys, I changed my name so it slipped back in my mind, but I'm trying to, so I'm going to give you a quick cake. Like I want to make cake for just 5 to 10 minutes, so watch out. Watch out. This is a dark chocolate cake, okay? And medium eggs, okay? All you need is vegetable oil, water. Hope you understand. So I'm having here my 3 eggs, I'm having here my oil, I'm having here the water. So let us do it. So I'm going to start by doing this 1 and 2 and 3, and then I'm going to add some oil, and then I'm going to add some water, and let me show you how it looks. And this is how it looks. So I'm going to mix well. Hope you're seeing the way I'm doing it. Yeah, and I think I'm going to get my thumbnail from this side. Yeah, so next thing I'm going to do is to open this and I mix. So this is how it looks. It's a dark chocolate cake. Dark chocolate cake. I wish to show you how it, you see. So I'm trying to mix it. And I think I just put on a small thing, but let me see how it goes to be. Yeah, it's time to mix. Again. Actually, I want to see how many is this. Is 500. You see, it's 500 kilogram. Hope you can see here. Yeah, so you can use water 1 cup and oil half and 3 eggs. Yeah, so let's do it. So guys, I wanted to use here, but I'm seeing it's small. So changing plan, I'm going to use it here. So yeah, I'm going to mix well and I'm going to pour it here. So yeah. You see, until this one do like this, so that it will be soft. Apply here some little oil like this. So this is the view. Let us take to the oven. So this is the view. I'm going to close, and you can see here I'm going to go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So you can see here's the cake. Going to bake for 35 minutes. So we are going to put on like this, and then we do like this. So yeah, that's how we are doing it. So let us wait for at least 35 minutes. Okay, and see how it looks. So guys, let us bake. Yeah, let us bake and see how it things going to be. So this is how it's doing. You can see. Yeah, upcoming next. Let us bake. We're going to wait. This is minute 30. I mean 30 minutes to go, but you can see it's already baking. So my good people, you can see it is 18 minutes. So I wanna check. I'm having here toothpick. Okay, and I'm going to do like this. You see how the toothpick is? It means still it's cooking. Yeah, it haven't finished. Yeah, until the toothpick come out clean. So let us keep waiting. So guys, meanwhile, let me make some coffee for me. This is cup, this is sugar, this is coffee, and let me show you water. Yeah, this is my water. I wanna make coffee with. Actually, have you ever tasted coffee and cake? Oh my god, so delicious. That is my favorite. If you wanna take me out on a date, just buy me cake and coffee. I'm okay. American coffee, so let us do it. I'm going to take sugar, 1 spoon. Yeah, I don't want a lot. And coffee, 1.5 spoon. Like this way. I think 1 is enough. I just add a little bit of it. So let us wait for the water. So make sure your water is cooking like this. We switch off. We take the water. We came in the do like this. That's how I do my coffee. Yeah. That's how I make my simple coffee. So let us wait my coffee to be at least to remove the. Let me mix well the sugar first. So let me wait for the cake. Ta-da! My guys, 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes to go. Yeah. And let me show you so that next time you see this is a toothpick and you do like this. You see it comes out very clean. So it means the cake is done. 1 more minute to go. 1 more minute to go. 1 more minute to go. It's about to go down, down, down. 1 more minute to go. 1 more minute to go. Let me do like this. 1 more minute to go. Tan, 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 tan. Do. Done. Off. Yeah. We're gonna take it out. And there, of course, the final result is here. I think I'm going to give this cake some few minutes to get cold, but I want to show you Let me show you the inside. You can see how it looks inside. It's so hot. So thank you for watching. Yeah, I'm here with my coffee, and this is like a small piece of cake. See you to the next one. Bye.